Hello. I've been working here on my week 7 final project with CBC. Says each route uses error handling, returns 500, try and cache, both post and put route for all collection continuous validation. Okay, these are my routes. This is my post route. It requires authentication and also validation. And returns, it uses try and cache. Returns the status code of 400 if there is any error. This is my delete route. Returns the status code of 500. This is my post route. It requires authentication and validation. Uses try and cache. Returns a static code of 500 with one error. Same thing as my get. Application route. This is a post that requires authentication and validates data. Uses try and cache. Returns a static code of 500 if there are any errors found. This is my put. Requires authentication and also validation. Uses try and cache. Returns static codes if there is any issue. My delete route also uses try and cache. My get route also uses try and cache. The get route outputs requires authentication and validation. Uses try and cache returns 500 if there's any validation issue. Also, returns 500 uses try and cache returns status code of 500. So this is my test input have described the get for and get by ID and also get for same thing for my application, same thing for my test, same thing my test. Now sensitive information. Now my the thing file contains my MongoDB string. I created a .it ignore that prevents GitHub from pushing this sensitive information to GitHub. As you can see, my node models and .env file is not visible because it contains sensitive information. I said video demonstrate each. Okay, okay. This is my published link. This is also the render. Now let's get all out. Working perfectly. That's ID. Okay. Now let's try to create. Now let's go to shelters. Did that like